Hello, I've got a Kia Carens here on a 2014-2015 plate. Just going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb, which is the main dip beam on this. Now if you switch the lights on, please. Right, as you can see, that one there is working, and then this one here isn't. It is quite a simple procedure on this one. If you come around the back, I've already removed the cover which goes on the inside right there. That's the cover. I've already removed this, so I'm just going to show you how I've done it. So this is how it was. So it was locked in place. I twisted it to my left and I took it out all the way. Now on the inside there's a black plug, right? If you were going to do it like this, and if it's really tight, you'll have a problem removing it. So all you do then is use your left arm and then get in an angle and twist it from the bottom, which is from the bottom there, push it that way. So if I do it, it is a bit tight, but I'm going to get it done, not a problem. Yep, I got it out. There we go. Now that I've got it out, the whole thing comes out. Now you see how the bulb is fitted in the bulb holder. So the pin locator, this is a H7 bulb. So the pin locator is facing up. So if I just take this bulb out all the way, and then you can see right there, that's where the pin locator will be. So get the new one out. The new one is a H7 bulb. So you can see right there. Get the new one. There's only one way, like I said, you won't be able to fit it in like. Yo, can you switch the lights off, please? Come on, man. Anyways, sorry. Yeah. So if I that was a good one. Now if I just plug the bulb, push the bulb in, that's it. Job done. Then this bit here needs to face down, so I slot it through the hole. So make sure it goes in nicely, and then I push it from the top. As you can see there now, it's sitting perfect, so it's not even loose or anything, so it's lovely. I then put this cover back on. All we're going to do now is check. That's the cover on. Now make sure the cover goes in really tight, because you've got seals around it. So if you don't put the cover on properly, whether it's this one or that one, it'll get water or condensation inside the headlight, then there's a problem. Right, can you just switch the lights on? Ching, baby, that's working. Switch them off. Right, that's all you got to do on this particular model. It is a Kia Carens on a 2014-2015 plate. The main dip beam bulb is a H7 bulb. You can find them anywhere, online or whatever you know. I'll leave a description for the part number anyway, so you know what you get. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.